Hello guys, it's me again Maria and welcome to my channel. So if you are new into this channel, please do subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create a very attractive and professional text using gradient colors in Canva. Before we're just using like a single color like red, yellow, things like that. But in this tutorial, you can combine the colors that you want to create a beautiful text like what you see on top of this video. All right, so I'm going to teach you how you can create this kind of text, and you can use a background like this, like a moving movie, a background, or the other way is you can also create the kind of text but just plain photo. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this tutorial. So without any further ado, let's do this. All right, so now we're on the Canva homepage. All right, so let's create a presentation here, and I'm gonna use the blank template. Then let's click the text and let's add a heading. Okay, I'm going to use the live, love, love, live, laugh, love. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna use this as an example for this gradient text tutorial. Okay, and then you can also change the fonts. You can choose the fonts that you want. Just keep playing with it and try all the fonts and which one looks good for you, and then you can choose that. Okay. Then I'm going to resize the font. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger, so you can customize this one, guys. Depends on how big you want it. And I just want to make this is in the center. Okay, so after we finish our text, let's add another page. Okay, I'm gonna add another page so that we can create gradient. There you go. So once you have the new page, we're going to click that and let's go to elements and let's type the keyword gradients, and then it will give you a lot of style here that you want to use for your text. Okay, so I'm gonna use the one here at the top, but you can always change the color, once you give uh the colors, or if you have already have a palettes of colors, then you can use those colors for your gradients. So just scroll down here and just um find which one do you want, and then you can just drag into the template. So now I'm gonna use the this one. Then let's just stretch this one to fit the page. Okay, you can just drag all the way. There you go. So I have a purple and a kind of a little bit light purple, and then a white on the side. But you can always change the color like what I'm doing here. See, you can choose the color that you want, the combination of colors that you want, or if you have a palette already, then you can use those colors. So I'm just playing around here, guys. So which one is good combination? But let's see how it looks like when we apply this into our text. So here I choose these colors. So let's see. So I'm trying to combine the colors that I want. So I put yellow, I put orange, I put purple, then black, and things like that. But you can always play around with this, like what I'm doing, guys, until you find the color that you want. So I think I'm gonna stick into this color, this one, and then I'll just copy and paste the text. Okay, so now I'm gonna click the three dots there on the right top corner, and then I'm going to adjust the transparency into 40 to 50. So maybe 40 or 50. Well, it's up to you guys. There's no specific, um, ratio of how much transparency you want, but just try it. Okay, so after that, once you adjust the transparency, you can change the colors like what I'm doing. You see, I'm changing the colors of the text. And so I think I'm going to change the yellow because I don't see the leaf if it is in yellow because the text is white. But you can change the text color if you want to. But I like the white. So I'm still trying to play around with this and change the color. So, take your time, guys. I'm just letting you know that you can always change the colors, the gradient color, the color of your text. So it's all up to you. So once you've decided the color that you want, click the share on the top right and then click the download. Okay, so now click that one and find the PNG. Download in PNG because it's better than JPEG. And then do not put a check on the transparency box or things like that. Just leave it blank. And then click done. So once you click the done, and then you can now download your text as a PNG. Okay, so click the download and just wait for a second and it will download it into your computer. Then save it and we're going to get that or upload that into Canva. Okay, I'm gonna make another new page. So let's get the text that we downloaded. Okay, let's upload it into Canva. There you go. So I'm gonna drag this one, the one that we upload, into a new text box or into a new page. Then just stretch it out. That will fit into the template. And now here you click the edit button and we're going to erase the background. So let's take a moment. Let's wait 4 seconds and we will erase the background. So now there you go. All right, so let's create another design. I'm going to use the same template. And I'm just going to show you guys that you can always change the color. So let's see. I want to make another color, but the same text. All right, so I'm just keep on playing with this. Change the color of your background, of your gradient. So I think I like the red one. And then I'm going to change the fonts. Okay, just click that one and choose another font style. Okay, which one that I'm going to choose? Okay, I'm going to choose this one. There you go. And then we're going to do the same thing that we did on our first template. You're going to download this into PNG. All right, leave that box open. Do not put anything or check. So make sure that you download the pages, not all. All right. And then once you've done with that, click the done and then download it. And let's wait for a second and it will pop it into your computer and save it to your desktop. All right, so now we're going to make another page and we're going to upload the one that we just downloaded. Okay, open up your computer and upload it. And then let's drag it into the this template. And there you go. And as we do it on the first, edit the photo, remove the background, and let's see how our text looks like. Oh, live, laugh, and love. So you can you see the difference of the colors, right? So if you change the fonts and you change your gradient background, the text also changes. Okay, so I'm going to the elements and then let's put some backgrounds. Okay, I'm going to, you can write codes or tips or everything, but I'm gonna use codes because I wanna see if we can get a nice background when we use the codes keyword. Okay, just scroll down and once you find the background that you want, then we can just drag it into this template. So here I'm gonna use beaches. So let's see what I can get here. Whoa, there's so many nice view here. Okay, I might take this one, and then I will use that into background. You see here at the bottom. Okay, use as a background, and now you will see your background and your text there. Okay, so live, laugh, and love, you can just adjust it. But since my background is too, my text is not really colorful, so I might change the background. But you can change the background anytime you want. Okay, you can just, it just takes time to play around and choose the background that will, you know, fit into your text. So we need to find some contrast here so that your text can see. Okay, so if I use this one, set as a background, and I'll pull the text one. So mm, almost the same color, right? So maybe you can just play around again and then find the background that you want. So I'm just showing you guys that you can do this also to create a background for your title, whatever title you want. If you're making a quotes or trips, things like that, you see that there's so many nice background that you can choose from. But you know, it's not really. I think if I put the black text color here, it might be better. Okay, let's see this one. Oh, I think I like this one. It's the dark background. I said that's a background, and I'll just pull this up a little bit over there on the top. I think it's more visible. There you go. And this is the video. It's the first one we did is a photo, so it's not moving. And the second one, you can put a background like a video, as you see here. Okay, so it's 22 seconds, so you can play with it while you're talking or recording. So that's how we can create our text gradient using photo and using videos. So once you're good with that, it's time to download. Okay, click the download and make sure that you download it uh, in MP4 for the one that is moving, like the 22 seconds, right? So you click the download. Don't forget to choose the format. So it's MP4. There you go. So you can do videos as a background, or you can do photos as a background. So if it is too long, it's 22 seconds. You can always adjust there here on the top. You just, slide it to the left. And then this one also is a photo. It's not a movie. So you can just download this one as a PNG. Okay. All right, so now we've done to our gradient text. So as you see here, just put the text box here, then copy and paste, create your gradient as a background, and you can always change that background into video or into a photo. You can just choose whatever photo you want here or the videos that you want to put your text. So that's all, guys. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way.